Metabolic diseases. A recent analysis of the global burden of disease (GBD) study 1990-2023 has revealed that India and China have the highest metabolic disease burdens in the Asia-Pacific region. Understanding metabolic diseases. Metabolic diseases refer to a group of disorders that disrupt the body's normal metabolic processes, particularly the way energy from food is broken down, stored, and utilized. Common metabolic diseases include type 2 diabetes mellitus, high blood pressure, hypertension, obesity or high body mass index (BMI), high LDL cholesterol, and metabolically dysfunction associated steatotic liver disease. These conditions are closely linked to lifestyle factors such as unhealthy diet, sedentary behavior, and increasing urbanization. They are also major contributors to non-communicable disease (NCDs), which account for a significant proportion of them globally. Findings of the Global Burden of Disease Study. The study analyzed data for period 1990-2023 with projections up to 2030 for the Asia-Pacific region. Researchers assessed the burden of metabolic diseases using two key indicators: disability-adjusted life years (DALY), a measure of overall disease burden combining years lost due to premature death and years lived with disability; mortality rates, the number of deaths caused by specific diseases. The study identified 5 major metabolic risk factors contributing to disease burden: type 2 diabetes mellitus, high systolic blood pressure, high BMI, high LDL cholesterol, metabolically dysfunction associated steatotic liver disease. The findings indicate that metabolic disorders have become one of the most serious health challenges in the Asia-Pacific region. India's metabolic disease burden. According to the study, India has one of the highest absolute metabolic disease burdens in the Asia-Pacific region. In 2023, India recorded approximately 21 million DALYs linked to type 2 diabetes, around 5.8 lakh deaths due to diabetes. High systolic blood pressure was another major contributor to disease burden, accounting for nearly 3.8 crore DALYs and around 15.7 lakh deaths in the country. These numbers indicate that hypertension and diabetes remain among the leading health challenges facing India. In terms of DALYs, India overtook China in 2023 to become the country with the highest metabolic disease burden in the Asia-Pacific region. Under other parameters such as high BMI, LDL cholesterol, and MASLD, India still ranks second after China. Rising risk factors in India. The study highlights several metabolic risk factors that are increasing steadily in India. One of the most significant trends is the rising prevalence of obesity and high BMI, which is growing at an annual rate of about 2.7 to 2.9%. High LDL cholesterol levels and fatty liver disease are also becoming increasingly common. These trends are largely driven by rapid urbanization, sedentary lifestyles, increasing consumption of ultra-processed food, high intake of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Together, these factors are contributing to the growing burden of metabolic disease in India. Implications for public health. Metabolic disease have far-reaching consequences for public health and economic productivity. If current trends continue, these diseases could place enormous pressure on healthcare system due to increased hospitalization, long-term treatment costs, and reduced workforce productivity. The study also warns that most metabolic risk factors are expected to continue rising until 2030 unless strong preventative measures are adopted. Thus, tackling metabolic disease has become a major priority for health policymakers. Prevention and policy measures. Experts emphasize that an integrated public health approach is needed to address the rising metabolic disease burden in India. Key recommended strategies include promoting healthier diets. Government should regulate ultra-processed food and reduce excessive sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats in commonly consumed food. Nutrition labeling. Clear front-of-pack nutrition labels can help consumers make informed dietary choices. Urban design and physical activity. Cities should be redesigned to encourage active lifestyle through safe walking spaces, cycling tracks, and public exercise facilities. Screening and early detection. Large-scale screening for diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and fatty liver disease should be integrated into primary healthcare system. India has already initiated programs through the Union Health Ministry and state governments, but experts emphasize the need for stronger and more uniform implementation across the country.